Is your PS5 refusing to get online or failing the internet connection test? Router handshakes, wrong frequency bands, or default ISP DNS errors often prevent your console from connecting. Let's fix your network connection step by step. Hit subscribe and let's get you back online. Now on to our first step. Restart router and PS5 console. First, unplug your Wi-Fi router's power cable directly from the wall outlet. Wait a full 60 seconds to ensure all residual power drains. While waiting for the router, restart your PS5 console from the control center. Then plug your router back in, wait for all lights to stabilize, and attempt to connect. Now, for our second step, re-enter credentials and switch frequency bands. From the home screen, select the gear icon /settings/network. Then select Set up Internet Connection, locate your Wi-Fi network, and re-enter your password. Press the Options button on your DualSense controller while highlighting your network. Next, select Wi-Fi frequency bands and switch between 5 GHz for speed near the router, or 2.4 GHz for better wall penetration. Finally, our third step, configure custom DNS settings. Highlight your Wi-Fi network, press Options, and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual.
Enter Google or Cloudflare DNS. Enter 8.8.8.8 for Google, or 8.8.4.4 for secondary, or 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare, or 1.0.0.1 for secondary. And save and test. Select OK to apply changes and run a fresh internet connection test. And your PS5 should now be completely online and ready for multiplayer. If this step-by-step fix got your console connected today, please leave a like and subscribe for more PlayStation troubleshooting tips. Drop a comment if you need any help, and I'll see you next time.